Hello, we will today be installing this RAM into this computer. Now it's not as simple as any other laptop where you just open up the back panel and install it. No, this computer has to actually be disassembled completely. And that's what we'll be doing. We will be installing DDR2, PC5300, 1GB of RAM. This is the maximum it can accept. So, I've already prepared my desk. Here is the wonderful laptop. And we shall begin. First, we must remove Now, in this, you have to pop open the keyboard. And so if you can get 2 flatheads to do the job, you can use one to push the edging right here, and then pull out. Now there's this ribbon right there. You want to go ahead and carefully lift the black tab, and the keyboard comes out like so. Now there's another smaller black tab here, which is for your touch. Go ahead and flip that and pull on the blue cord right there. And now go ahead and remove the screws that are here, here, one there, and 2 over here. Okay. Now, in this particular version, there's a Wi-Fi module that has to be removed. So go ahead and carefully pull off the wires. Remember which ones go where. And go ahead and unscrew the module and pull it out. Now there's another wiring right here, which is for the speakers. So you go ahead and with the flathead, pull it out like so. There are 3 screws on this side and 1 right here, which have to be removed in order to access the bottom. Go ahead and release it from its slot and install the new one. There we go. Do a final check. And now we have one happy customer. Thank you for watching this video on adding RAM to a Acer One laptop.